Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Uphakel Mthatha used to be someone I respect. I really respected him at some point because he was doing positive work in his community. Wayesefuna ukubukwa kwakhe. That wasn't enough. Helping in his little corner of the world in the way that he could wasn't enough. He had to elevate it. He had to escalate it. Useyinkosi namhlanje. Ebe umuntu ofana nami nawe. Uyinkosi namhlanje. He has the authority yokuxosha abantu from meetings, the authority to set dates for people to leave the country. Useyigunyaze ngeindlela eziningi. Maybe he is the king. Who's to say? Useyinkosi manje. The man is a misogynist, a homophobe, an Afrophobe, a tribalist. And you guys are still following him. If you are not male, Zulu, and violent, I'll add the element of violence, because if you don't have the capacity for violence like he has, he'll disrespect you, just like how he disrespected the security guard in one of his videos. Mbiza says he's a bully on top of it all. But you guys still follow him, and you think he won't come after you eventually. So ngesibona
sidlulisa ukukhulu ukuthokoza emaphoyiseni esisebenza nawo njalo emamashini endaweni ezehlukahlukene. Namhlanje silapha eDandi, siyabonga kubaphathi bamaphoyisa, siyabonga amaphoyiseni onke, siyabonga ezinduneni, siyabonga umhlonishwa umeya nabahlonishwa bonke amakhansela nezikhulu zomkhandlu zonke nezinsizwa amadoda aphumile azoveza uvo lwawo, odadewethu, omama, izingane zethu abaphumile bezoveza uvo lwabo. Siyacela ke ukuthi uhulumeni usilalele. Siyacela ngoba kasilwi, siyoqeda unyaka we12 manje sisebenza lo msebenzi. Ukuqinisa siyoqeda unyaka nezinyanga ezisithupha siqalile ukuqinisa. Siyinsizwa nokunsizwa Development Foundation. Siyacela ukuthi uhulumeni asilalele. Umengameli ukhulume kahle noma singenelisekile ke thina ngokuthi angaqondi inkinga ayiqonde ngqo. Akusenelisanga lokho, kodwa ke siyakuhlonipha ukuthi uzile wazokhuluma ngalolu daba. Siyacela futhi ukuthi ahamba phinde yohlala phansi alibukisise kahle, ayiqonde indaba yabantu bokufika, ngoba uma sikhuluma ngokuthi e-airport kubanjwe ama-drugs ka1 billion ebanjwa kubantu bokufika, ey'nsukwini kubanjwa ama-drugs empeleni abanjwe emngceleni lawa ka1 billion, e-airport kubanjwa ama-drugs ka35 million. eThekwini thina sakwazi ukuvundulula ama-drugs ebhilidini, okwathi umuntu owabanjwa lapho wahamba wayokhomba ama-drugs olwandle, ama-drugs ka13 million. So ke uma ngabe sikhuluma ngokuthi la eLokhuza eDandi kunezingane eseyiphenduka imihambima engenxa yama-drugs, sithi eThekwini laphana eKing Dinizulu Park izingane ezingaphezulu ka500 amakhanda emizi, amadoda amizi, abaholi bakusasa sebephenduka imihambima kanjeyana. eGoli ko-Hillbrow izingane eziphenduka, izingane zodokotela, izingane zamaphoyisa, izingane zothisha, izingane zezikhulu ziphenduka imihambima ngenxa yama-drugs. Yingakho ke sithi uhulumeni akasilalele, nalabo bokufika sithi abasilalele, bephume ezweni, silungise isimo sethu ngaphakathi, ebese bebuya ngendlela eqondile. Uma uhulumeni engenayo imali yokuyokwakha umngcele, thina siwumphakathi wase-South Africa, umuntu ngayedwa eSouth Africa anganikela ngosimendo kodwa neblock elilodwa, sihambe semngceleni sizinsizwa siyolwakha mahala lo luyadonga, singezukukhokhelwa ngisho isente ngoba sifuna izwe lethu libe lihle.
Akho comment endibulela amaqatha ngathi yile yithi school is important. Clearly it's not, because of doom. Economic country yawa because people are not investing in your freaking country. The people that you're saying that customer go to get because they're here illegally and they are involved in illegal things. There's a high rate of crime in the country yakho where namuntu funde kakhulu because of them. They are owning all the small businesses, these plaza shops, and they are not adding anything to the economy of the country. But when a school is very important, smungu says did. They are freaking involved in drugs, because what do you mean? But by salon operated till 11. 11. Shop here chips. Once we went to Durban, they opened up until 12. Who's buying chips at 12? Clearly, but busy. bafrantile ngento abafrante ngazo. What do you mean? You don't use your common sense lo yele esikolweni. Xa xa isikole senza kakhulu, why do you think that way? Yeah? No, you're dumb. You're dumb. We can never. Yo, andiyazi ngatsho kanjani. What March and March is doing, and that ubakela umthakathi nongizwe is, yay, it can never be undone. Those people, yo, yes, they are our leaders. And le nto ifuna ngathi ungayingqondo ichubekileyo uzuyibone. Uba uchubekanga kakuhle entloko, you'll never understand what they're doing for this country. Basically, they're fighting for you guys. They are fighting for us. For the economy of the country. I-country yawa ihamba ngee-crashes kahle kahle. Because abantu abaninzi ngoba lapha they bagcwele, depending on you guys, depending on your tax, the one that you get taxed every day. Wena nge-7,000 yakho kumanesi lo mali emanaswayo ugqiba bahambe bona baye kwaSASSA befumana igrant eSASSA, bahambe baye ezibhedlela befumana ii-bills ezi-free. Because why? Because they're not paying any tax bona ngoba batheni ba-operate illegally in this country. How are you thinking? Clearly isikolo asibalekanga because nicinga ngenye indlela. Clearly kubaleka ingqondo yobuveli. Yini ingqondo yomveli? Loo nto yiyo. Natural thinking or natural brain is very important than school. Why am I shouting? I'm not shouting. But understand umuntu omdala ucinga ngenyawo instead of ucinga ngqondo. They are living off of your tax, these people, because they are not being taxed bona, but bahlala kule country, but abatekswa. Kutekswa wena, bahamba bayofumana ii-bills ezi-free kwaSASSA, whatever. But you are fine with that. Illegal foreigners, masihambe guys. Yes, we are xenophobic. Siyavuma. We are, very much so. Thanks. Bye. And if you really think that they're here to build South Africa, you are thinking ngeqatha. Of course, what do you mean? Because they're selling drugs to the future of South Africans, of South Africa. Who will lead this country if wonke umuntu uliphara? And abachayi ke bona, they don't smoke. They are demolishing, okay, but demolish, but benza sure by buildings zenu. They are demolished. Zimbi, zimdaka, ngati andazi ngati kuphi. But you say those people, they are your brothers. They're not here to build. Bazoshiya South Africa, Eastern Cape, kahle kahle, kusekakeni. And then they go wherever they're going, when they go, bayokwakha amazwe wabo or go back to their countries. Nishiyeke nina ngathi nise, andazi ngati nipesa Nigeria. Because that's what they're doing it. That's what they're turning it to. Why in the shouter, guys? I but nomsindo. I don't know, man. Yo. Hi.
This man right here is saying that Uphakela Mthakathi is a bully. I think obviously with the things that have been happening on social media, with the videos of him trending on social media, which, hey, guys, it's a lot. It's a lot. I don't even want to lie, because they are very bad videos. I don't know if I can put it like that. Videos of Uphakela Mthakathi beating other men. Like, how can you beat another man like that? Slapping other men, calling out women, disrespecting women. It's a lot, man. But when it comes to white women, he does not do that. He does not do that. I understand why this man would see it in this way, or something is off, because I've seen even women calling him out to say, hi, this has to stop. This really has to stop. Because why are you only a king on a black woman and not a king on a white woman? Like, what is that? Someone have to explain this to me, because it really does not make any sense for a man to come here and say, when a king is talking, a woman must not even look at him, a woman must not even do this and this. But he was talking to a white lady, and the lady was standing. He was sitting down. Yes, that's what I saw. He was sitting down. And with this man that he's busy disgracing, busy beating them up. Like, what are you doing? Guys, like, what are you doing? How can you embarrass another man like that in front of a crowd? A crowded place. There are a lot of people there. There are a lot of men. There are a lot of women there. Seeing you ridiculate this other man. Like, guys, that's all I'll always say. I actually favor Ungizo Mchunu because I've never seen him doing that. I've never seen him beating other men, ridiculating another man in front of other men, in front of women. I've never seen him doing that. It's only Opagela Mthakathi who is doing these things, slapping other men, beating them. Like, no, I really do not stand with this. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?